Hey dolls, it's your girl Ari the doll, and today I'm going to be doing my eyebrow tutorial, and I'm just going to be taking my Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going to start shaping the brows and filling them in. Now I'm just making sure I have that point at the end of my eyebrows that I like, and I'm just going to continue filling them in. Now I like to put little hairs with my eyeliner pencil and just fill them in at the front to make them look really nice and neat. Now taking my Morphe M158 brush, I'm just going to use the spoolie part and just brush my eyebrows. Now I'm just going to use my Morphe M410 brush with a little concealer on it, and I'm just going to start shaping my brows and cleaning them up with the concealer to make them the shape that I like them to be. Now I use patting motions to drag my concealer down from the eyebrow and just pat, 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 pat. Now, when I do the top of my eyebrow, I never start at the front. I start in the middle and then drag it to the end. Now I'm just going to take my angle brush and blend all that concealer under the brow and on top. Okay, now that we're finally done with this eyebrow, I'm just going to do a time lapse on the other one, and we will be back. Okay, now that I finished both brows, if you loved this tutorial and felt like it was very useful, like, comment, and subscribe, and share.